head, head. The uppermost part of the body, containing the brain, eyes, ears, nose and mouth. Skull, skull. Bone structure of the head. Scalp, scalp. Skin covering the top of the skull. Hair, hair. Thread-like strands growing from the scalp. Brain, brain. Organ inside the skull responsible for thought, memory, and control. Face, face. Front part of the head containing eyes, nose and mouth. Forehead, forehead. The upper part of the face, above the eyebrows. Eye, eye. Organ for seeing. Eyebrow, eyebrow. Line of hair above the eye. Eyelid, eyelid. Skin that covers the eye. Eyelash, eyelash. Hair growing on the edges of the eyelids. Ear, ear. The organ for hearing and maintaining balance. Nose, nose. Organ for smelling and breathing. Mouth, mouth. Opening in the face for eating and speaking. Lip, lip. Fleshy edges of the mouth. Tooth, tooth. Hard structures in the mouth used for chewing. Tongue, tongue. Muscular organ in the mouth used for tasting and speaking. Chin, chin. Lower part of the face below the mouth. Cheek, cheek. Slide of the face below the eyes. Jaw, jaw. Bone structure that supports the teeth. Beard, beard. Hair growing on the lower face. Neck, neck. Connects the head to the torso. Nape, nape. Back of the neck. Chest, chest. Front upper body containing ribs, heart, and lungs. Breast, breast. Front part of the chest, especially in women. Abdomen, abdomen. Area between the chest and pelvis. Navel, navel. Belly button. Waist, waist. Narrowest part of the torso between the ribs and hips. Buttock, buttock. Fleshy parts forming the back of the hips. Thigh, thigh. Upper part of the leg. Knee, knee. Joint connecting the thigh and the lower leg. Shin, shin. Front part of the lower leg. Calf. Calf. Back part of the lower leg. Ankle. Ankle. Joint connecting the foot to the leg. Foot. Foot. Lower part of the leg for walking. Heel. Heel. Back part of the foot. Sole. Sole. Bottom part of the foot. Toe. Toe. Digits of the foot. Toenail. Toenail. Hard covering at the tip of the toe. Shoulder. Shoulder. Joint connecting the arm to the body. Armpit. Armpit. Area under the shoulder where the arm meets the body. Arm. Arm. Limb extending from the shoulder to the hand. Elbow. Elbow. Joint between the upper arm and forearm. 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 The part of the arm between the elbow and wrist. 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 The joint connecting the hand and forehand. Hand. Hand. Part of the arm used for grasping. Hand. Hand. Part of the arm used for grasping. Palm. Palm. Inner surface of the hand. Finger. Finger. Digits of the hand. Thumb. Thumb. Short, thick digit of the hand. Index finger. Index finger. Second digit of the hand used for pointing. Middle finger. Middle finger. Third digit of the hand. Ring finger. Ring finger. Fourth digit of the hand, often used for wearing rings. Little finger. Little finger. Smallest digit of the hand. Knuckle. Knuckle. Joint of a finger. Penis. Penis. Male external organ used for reproduction and urination. Vulva. Vulva. External female genitalia, including the labia and clitoris.